Formula E brings racing tech to the road, with 9 global car brands going head-to-head in 2019 and 2018 season. Formula E is more than just a racing series. It's a battle for the future. Our cars powered by pure electricity pave the way for the cars of tomorrow. Formula E took a big leap for its 5th season of competition in 2018 and 19, as it introduced a new Gen 2 car into the world's all-electric single-seater series. Its first design was always going to be blighted with the car swap stigma, but with new battery developments combating its range anxiety. This allows drivers and teams to race pretty much flat out from start to finish. While an innovative attack mode has also been introduced, drivers will be able to use the mode a certain number of times per race, which will vary depending on the individual track. To activate it, they'll have to drive over a section of the circuit off the normal racing line, temporarily losing time but also boosting their car's power output from 200 to 225,000 watts. The location of the activation zone will be shown to TV and web viewers using virtual reality on-screen graphics. Attack mode is intended to introduce further unpredictability and tactical approaches to Formula E. The existing fan boost social media-based system remains, with drivers receiving the most votes on Twitter in the lead-up to the race also able to access additional power. Now let's see the changes made on Formula E 2018-2019 cars. The tires were designed very specifically in terms of materials, the elastomers, the rubbers that are used, the type of textural fibers, and what we call the carcass of the tires. Its striking new look includes a ring of lighting around the FIA-mandated hollow cockpit protection device, a huge rear diffuser, and LMP1 inspired coverage of the front wheels. The front and the rear wings are angled more aggressively, with the remaining bodywork also much more stylish than before. Besides the obvious electric powertrain technology, there are new rules and features from Formula E's 2018-2019 season that made the series more attractive. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any feedback, please put it into the comment section and consider subscribing. Bye!